So if you ever get bored by default font of your Windows 10 computer, or maybe you just want your PC to feel a little more personal or match your style better, then changing your computer system font can give your computer completely a new fresh look. And the best part is, it's not as hard as it sounds. So today I'll guide you step by step on how you can change your font in Windows 10 easily and without messing up your system. So let's dive right into it. So first open Settings app, then go to Personalization and then Fonts. Here you can browse through all the installed fonts, pick the one you like and note down its exact name. Then you have to create a registry file. For that you have to open Notepad and then paste this basic code into it. Now replace your font name with the name of your font you choose earlier. Then save and run the file. You have to save the file with a .reg extension like changefont.reg. Then double click on the file you have just saved and allow it to make changes to your system. And then finally restart your PC, and now you will see your new font applied. And that's it, you have just gave your Windows 10 a whole new vibe with a custom font. If you ever want to go back to default one, don't worry about that, you can always reset your settings. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech videos like that. And thanks for watching, see you in the next one.